Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video, and let me get the table topic. So the table topic is, what life lesson did you learn the hard way? What life lesson did you learn the hard way? When we talk about life lesson, what we mean is that uh, in life we learn something and that we find that is very important in moving further in life. It helps to lead a better life. uh, and many other things. Maybe it's might be a personal improvement for you. It may be professional improvement for you as well. So, and life lessons constitutes a major part of if you want to improve and lead further in life. Uh, Talking about me, the life lesson that I learned the hard way is the importance of money. The Yes, you heard it right. The importance of money. From my upbringing and from my school, uh, what I learned is the money is not important. Money doesn't give you happiness or like lots of other things. So that kind of made me to think in the way that money is not important at all. And because of it, it leads to many things, many mistakes in life that we do in general. But then I realized that money is an important part of life. We should think money is important. Yes, but it doesn't mean that money is the most important thing. You should not do everything for money. Your ethics, your principle goes further than the money. Money you can earn, but what the message that I want to impart is that money is important. Do not think that money is not important at all, at all. And when you think about money is important, then you just think as long as you have food on the table and you have a decent emergency fund, then I think you are okay. And most of the people don't even think about the emergency fund like that scenario. So uh, that was eye-opening for me. And once you have that money, see, eh, it is not wrong to ask for more raise, to ask for more money. Just don't feel ashamed about it. And I know it can be very hard when we are early in our career, or if you're looking for job, to ask for more money in the appraisal and other things when we look out for job. Uh, even I was talking to one of my friend. He told me about that when he was leaving the first company, the first job. He felt very bad about it. He felt that he's doing something wrong. So that kind of thing, that kind of scenario, that kind of thinking should be avoided. Yes, you need money, and go and get a shot at it. If you're doing great things, if you're doing good, if you're good, then ask good money. There is no doubt about it. But do not over optimize it. Get a good money, get a decent place, and then think about what you can do with your life. If you have enough money in your bank, uh, then your perspective about things also changes. Just think about uh, if money is the only goal, then why lots of these people are happy? Why they are pushing their forward? Why they are working so hard? It's not only about the money, but when you have that money, it enables you to think about other things in life. So yes, coming back to the message, the life lesson that I learned is money is very important in life, and just think about it. Okay, thank you.